Good morning. Welcome to today's edition of the Mortgage Market Advisor for February 11th. Let's get started. Here's our bond market for the day. As you can see, we opened high and we're trading pretty high. Some of the analysts say we might be a little top heavy, so we got to be careful about maybe some selling off. I know I said that in my last video on Tuesday, but it's still something that's out there. We are still maintaining an upward trading channel, as you can see here. So this is great. We're maintaining this trading channel, which means bonds are continuing to improve. As far as this morning goes, we opened at and are trading currently at about $103. That's the best since about January now, January of 2015. And we are still looking at a potential sell-off, which we could catch ourselves at about $101.30. So be kind of careful here. Sometimes those investors like to sell these things off, and it could impact our rates or fee structure. As far as reports out, jobless claims came out worse than expected. That helped us today. And coming up is tomorrow's retail sales. That will have some impact on the bond market. And as far as quantification, if you were getting a mortgage at the end of December and you were going to pay 3 points for that rate that you really wanted, if you got that same rate today, you probably won't be paying any points. That's because the bonds are trading about $3 better than where they were. As far as the Analyst Outlook, here's what we got. Neil says changes to a long position and on the short and long. Sorry, that's a mouthful, isn't it? What that really means is Neil thinks that bonds are going to continue to get better. He's taken a very bullish stance, as we say. So is Dan. So still, both analysts agree that bonds will continue to improve. Let's watch out for a little selling. And as far as news goes, Little Birdie told me that single closed construction loans may be coming out a little bit later. That could be really helpful for people wanting to build a house. So contact me if you want some more details. And here's my contact info. Don't forget, before you leave the page, if it's your first time, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't hurt. It'll keep you updated on what's going on with interest rates. And if you're not sure what the heck I just said, hit the little icon here at your top right. That'll take you to Mortgage Bonds 101 and kind of teach you how the bond market impacts consumers. Before you go, be sure to like the page. That would be super awesome. And if you have any comments, would love to hear from you. Anyway, take care, guys. Have a wonderful